One of the most tried and true trading strategies for consistent wins, low drawdown, and strike rate is breakout trading. Using this trading strategy correctly can be the gift that keeps on giving. Adding gold to the mix, which has been a reliable chart to make steady profits for many years, makes the Gold Trade Pro so widely popular to the trading community. In our latest Expert Advisor review, we'll review everything that you need to know about this powerful trading strategy. Is the Gold Trade Pro a very safe system at an inexpensive cost? Or is this a system that you should stay away from? We did all the hard work for you, so stay to the end. This is Tested.
Subscribe and smash the like button. Thanks.
Gold Trade Pro is the latest expert advisor developed by Profalgo Limited, which has been developing expert advisors on the MQL5 market since 2017. Used for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, this group prides themselves on simple yet effective trading strategies that have stood the test of time instead of using riskier ones. If you'd like to try Gold Trade Pro for yourself, I'll place a QR code on the screen right now so you can download it. Gold Trade Pro uses a straightforward approach, having a custom algorithm to identify the highest breakouts at daily support and resistance levels, which makes the system very effective in dealing with the volatility of gold. When you open up Gold Trade Pro, you'll be greeted with the way that the system does it. Gold Trade Pro is equipped with 7 distinct strategies that seamlessly work in harmony. The purpose of doing this is to generate results in a remarkably stable rate curve over time. Like any system, there'll be occasional losses along the way, but the way that the system recovers losses allows your account to bounce back faster than normal systems. Along with that, you'll see a lot size setting, max drawdown setting for prop firms, along with the way of being able to control what direction that you will want to be able to trade. As far as the display, it keeps a simple approach by giving you the information of your current lot size, open profit and loss, account balance and total profit, and total loss in an area that allows you to be able to notice it, but it's not in the way of new candles forming. Speaking of when you open up the system, you will notice pending orders forming as soon as you turn the system on. For new traders, this may be overwhelming visibly, but each code is labeled with a defined stop loss and take profit present so you can be able to analyze all the trades if needed. In your back testing results suite, this video has been sponsored by the Down Expert Advisor, available now in the MQL5 market. Its signature DAP system ensures your profits remain untouched, protecting your account against the market's unpredictability and attacking changing trends. Consistently bringing in 2 to 10% per month on low risk, it is widely considered to be the best defensive trading system in the market. Try risk-free by scanning the QR code or clicking on the link in the description, as advertised in the product description. We use our customary $10,000 account with 1 to 100 leverage trading with 100% real tick data and the latest set file that the developer posted in his comments, and we've seen that after our nearly 2-year back testing in perfect conditions, the performance was stable. After an early drawdown in the first couple months, we've seen that the system recovered nicely to turn a profit. With a profit factor over 2 and a recovery factor over 3.39, the system showed that in the right conditions, it can operate efficiently. It is to be noted that we end up seeing that it had high consecutive losses, probably due to the 7 pairs trading at the same time, but the risk reward factor remained to be right around 1.5. But we didn't stop there. We took the Gold Trade Pro through our stress tests and random delay tests to see how well the system would do with increased spreads and slippage. And there was a distinct difference between both tests, but not in the way that you would think. The Gold Trade Pro handled slippage and spread better than perfect conditions all across the board, bringing in more net profit, a higher profit factor, a higher recovery factor, less consecutive losses, and a higher strike rate, which means that the system ended up performing better when the market ended up being at its worst, which is a rarity for most breakout systems. When comparing both the perfect setting and stress test, you need to consider that drawdowns will happen. However, the more volatile the market, the better this program actually performs. So if you do need to monitor it, I would monitor it with a momentum indicator like the ADX to be able to see how well it ends up filtering out non-trending entries. But I don't think it's necessary. When testing the Gold Trade Pro to see how well it will perform in prop firm settings, it passed in September but did not pass in August due to not reaching the 10% threshold, and in October due to reaching the daily drawdown limit. In a live prop firm setting with the daily drawdown limit set in October, it would have passed because stopping it from not hitting the daily drawdown limit. So that's something to consider. As far as forward testing, the Gold Trade Pro is outperforming its back testing and stress test numbers over the past 13 weeks. This system has created an 81% win rate with a 6.36 profit factor, and the drawdown is lower than 7% at this particular point in time. As the system has been performing better than its back tests and forward testing, we can see that the community is having a lot of fun being able to use this system. It seems that the customer service, price point, and the accuracy has been some of the points that people have been noting out that they are very happy with using the product. Overall, the Gold Trade Pro system is a very solid system, scoring a 78 on our expert advisor review rating because of its high profit factor, high recovery rate, stable forward testing. But some of the negatives are that it had a high tested drawdown and it could be prone to consecutive losses. That's probably just because of the sheer amount of trades that it takes at a time. But at its price point compared to the performance that you're getting, you're actually getting this at a great value. Now, with that being said, what do you think about the Gold Trade Pro? Would this be a system that you'll be interested in trading yourself? And which system should we look at next? We would love to be able to hear your feedback. This is Travis from Expert Advisor Reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.